Okay, so as you can see, I have the 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan, and every once in a while it'll not start, and it doesn't whine, so the battery's fine. It just makes a clunking sound, and then it'll make the clunking sound half a dozen times, and then it'll suddenly start again. And I've changed the starter several times, so I don't think it's a starter. I don't think it's a battery. So anyways, here we go. Katrina, if you don't mind, go ahead and turn it over for me in 3, 2, 1. Okay, do it again. Okay, hang on, do it. Let's see. So the starter is underneath there. Do it one more time. And then from inside, do it again. So you see the battery's starting to die. So anyways, I don't know if it's a fuel not getting to the engine, but this has been going on for several years. And it seems to happen worse when it's hot out. So that's what's going on. I'm trying to get that figured out. Thank you.